Hi guys, welcome to my traditional live TV. Today we will see about Tiruvannamalai temples history. This Tiruvannamalai is a famous place in Tamil Nadu. It's famous in spirituality and history. The temple is distinguished as one of the Panjabodham Thalam, place where hymns were received by the Saivites. The Annamalayar temple here was built about 1100 years ago in Adi Annamalai area. This was the ancient temple and first temple built by Cholas kings. But here the contribution of the various kings such as Cholas, Pandyas, Sambhavarayas, Bosalas, Vijayanagara kings, Nayaka kings, Nagarathans, Konila kings, Asmindas, etc. are in the architectural history of this temple. The temple has thousands of sculptures and 450 inscriptions. The temple has more than 100 shrines, idols, copper Tirumenis, paintings, beautiful circulars, Tirthakulams, Ayrangal Mandapam, Vanuyaranda Gopuram are the special feathers of this temple. The temple is spread over an area of 25 acres. The east specially present the Rajagopuram. This Rajagopuram built by Krishna Devaraya. Its height is 217 feet tall. Apart from this Vallal Maharaja Gopuram, Kili Gopuram and Savithiram, Amman Gopuram are the important Gopurams in this temple. Apart from this, Kandasramam, Ramanasramam, Sheshatri Asramam, Yogi Ram Surat Kumar Ashram, Girivala Padai, Ashtalingam are the worth visiting places in these temples and temple surroundings. Every day, lot of peoples are visiting these temples and worship the god Shiva. Here, the Lord Shiva name called as Annamalayar. Around this mountain, lot of Jiva Samadhis are present. Today also, lot of Siddha peoples are living here. Many peoples are doing their meditations and get enlightenment power in their life. If we will reach the areas, especially inside the temple, we get a positive vibrations. That vibrations gives the colorful life in our body. During the full moon day, the lakhs of peoples, more than 30 lakhs of peoples are arriving in the areas, Tiruvannamalai areas, and worship the god Shiva. So that all the peoples are get more enlightenment in their life and they have more belief in their confidence also. Every day, this temple provides the annadanas, the meals to the spiritual peoples. Here, from morning 8 a.m. to night 9 p.m. every day, the temples administrate distribute the food to the peoples. Here, Tamil Nadu peoples only not visiting this temple. Other state peoples, especially Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra peoples, and Andhra Pradesh peoples also visiting this temple every month. This video was sponsored by GenReview.online portal sites. Thanks for watching my videos fully. Thank you.